Alright, so today I'm going to do a teardown on this Cube PC. Here soon I'm going to be using this to capture my video off the bench recording cam here. As of right now I'm using a cell phone, but that's going to change soon enough hopefully. Alright, let's take this guy apart and see what we got. Honestly, built this so long ago I can't begin to tell you what's in it. Got this one. If I take out the right screw, that would help, huh? There we go. Set them off to the side. Okay, well, we got a mess here. Let's see. Definitely got an XFX graphics card in there. Nice tight fit on top of that. Gracious. Okay. Let's do a partial teardown on this, make sure everything's in good working order. SATA adapter. Sometimes I wish I had some slightly smaller hands, that would sure help. Okay. Okay. We've got a power supply out of the way. We're running a Cool Max model V-500. It looks like it's a 475 watt actual power supply. Looks like a DVD burner inside here. As far as drives, let's see what we got here. Okay. We have an old 500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM Hitachi hard drive in here. Okay. Below that, I am running with a, goodness, I might have to take out the look. Go ahead and break that down so you can see it here. Yep, Mushkin Chronos SATA 3, 120 gig. Okay. Okay, as far as motherboard, okay, I'm going to try to unhook these front panel headers because they look like they're not labeled too well on the board. Alright. By the look of the heatsink, we are definitely not running a FX chip. This is going to be an APU of some sort. We have a check out the video parts and get the, oh, there it is. A Hi-Fi A85S3 motherboard. If my memory serves me right, this is a A8 5800K APU. That would be an FM2 Plus chip. We have I always have disliked the way Kingston labels their memory sticks. They make it quite complicated. Looks like it's an 8 GB kit, two 4 gig sticks. Obviously running in dual channel. And as far as the video card, we have an HD 6670. I believe the reason I went with that card was because it'll actually run dual graphics with the 5800K chip. We'll put some of this back together and we'll do a boot up. See if that's running. I don't remember what state it was when I shut it off, so let's figure it out here. Gotta love a case with the removable motherboard tray. That just makes life so much easier. Alright, let's put the boards back in. We can reinstall the hard drive here. This was just kind of rigged in there because I have to have a adapter from 3.5 inch drive to 2.5 inch drive for this. In other news, earlier this week, the 3D printer decided that the heat bed wanted to die. So it's going to be a little bit longer before we can do any kind of 3D printing videos. Got that in the mail. Should be here within the next day or two. So maybe sometime next week I can do a 3D printing video, or at least some footage of 3D printing. Just remember, when it comes to 3D printing, I'm very new at it, and half of you probably will know more than me, so don't expect much. Okay. SATA cables back into these devices here. So there. Alrighty. Feed this fella right back down here. Four pin is hooked back in. All the way over. Hook our 4-pin power connector in. Not have enough cord to come up and around like that. There we go. Find some kind of cable management method for this cooler here so it don't get stuck anywhere. Do. Fasten this guy back in. Got our second screw here. Alright, we've got our power supply installed again. Need around this wiring here. Just slapping that 24 pin back in there. Alright, as far as some wiring goes, not sure why I have that adapter in there. Let's see. Put him right on out of there. Use standard Molex power for this drive. We're going to use SATA power over here. Alright, and then we're going to put our fan back in. we're going to do is put our shell back on, and we should be good to try to boot it. Okay, sorry about that. I think my battery died. I had to get that solved, and now we're going to give it a test here and see what we can get. All hooked in to start with here. Keyboard and mouse here. Turn it on. Alright, so now I've got it set up here. Angle was giving me a little bit of a problem, but this is about the best we're going to get for now. Alright, as we can see, you can see the 120 gig solid state drive and the 500 gigabyte Hitachi drive that I told you about when we were taking it apart. Okay. Display adapter, it is a 6670 plus an 8570D in dual graphics mode. You can see for our processor down here, it's an A8 6600K. I said 5800K, my bad. 3.9 gigahertz quad core. And it looks like it's ready to go. I don't have to reformat or anything. This was obviously my old 3D print machine. So that's a plus for me, I guess, huh? All right, well, thanks for watching. Bye.